Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the markets currently. 422 May 29th, 2020, last day of the trading month of May, I should say. Interesting day. Things around lunchtime to Trump spoke at like almost around 3 o'clock. Things were a little soft, but in the morning we had a little bit of action, and the late afternoon we had some action. I was in the green late in the afternoon. I really didn't want to take on another trade, but I really wish I did, because it was easy, painless, and just did what I thought it would do. But let's go through it. This ADAP was pretty exciting today for most people. It actually closed up pretty good considering the stock. It was up significantly. We're talking about a move of $5. Got up to $12, $13 here almost. The trade I took was the break of this level here on this candle. I got a nice move up, and I scaled out completely as it came back down. I was already out, but then I continued to make another leg up. So it was a small gain, nothing big, but it was one of the trades I was watching today, and I think a lot of people were watching that one in this SNOA early on action, and it just kind of died. I mean, it was up significantly. We're talking $5, and it got up to a high of 19. I mean, just to be up 71%, it was up almost 150%, if not more. And then just fell off the face of the earth once things kind of settled down a bit. So no big deal on that one. Beyond Meat, news came out here, and I didn't take this trade. I got in a trade here and I lost on this one, the break of the 127 level, and it just reversed back down. There was definitely some manipulation on level 2, and I should have gotten out quicker, but I did not. Zoom ended up really strong end of the day. Problem is, when was breaking these whole numbers here, 74 level, it would just kind of reverse back down. So the wiggle room there was kind of tough, and it did it here. But then eventually it did break, and it did go from 174 to 179. Actually, almost hit 180, as you can see right here. So, timing is definitely something to watch out for. But you win some, you lose some, I guess, scenario. This was the trade I missed the late afternoon. It was a call made at the 86 level. Didn't break here, did break here. You definitely had no pain whatsoever. It just broke. I think it dropped like maybe 4 cents against you, and then just took off almost to 88. So $2 in your favor. That was the trade I missed today in the late afternoon, especially with the markets reacting to Trump and everything. It was a miss. So that was a big miss. But Tesla today was pretty nice. I took it in a few different times. I took the break here on the high at this level, which was like, I believe 813, 814. Yeah, I took the break at 814, and I got a nice run up to about 8. I took it off the table around 819. So I got 5 points out of that on a couple shares. Not a ton. I'm only trading anywhere from 10 to 50 shares of Tesla at a time, because it's such a strong mover. You can make a ton in a short period of time. It's been trading kind of tough. But then when Trump was speaking badly about China and everything, and then started rallying with the market, the SPY was kind of cranking too, and I traded this like it was like a news play, and I kind of jumped in on the break of the 24 level and took it for a fast. Actually, I took it for the 20 level here, because this was an old support and resistance area. And once it broke through that level, it just kind of cranked up. And, I didn't take full advantage. I just kind of sold out with some shares. I probably needed to stay in it longer. As you can see, at 20 level went to 35. Actually, its high of the day was 35. So, that's 15 points. I'm just... It's a factor for me to just to take some more gains, stay in it longer, feel the pain, if it goes against you a little bit. And I did it a couple times today, which worked out because I did stay in a trade that I did think it needed more time. And it came back out, but it wasn't showing signs of moving much further. So I just got out kind of break even versus taking a big loss. I allowed it to work itself out because there was some support on the bid side and things like that. But overall, decent trading day. I was up $109. I'll take that to close up the weekend and close up the month of May's trading. We'll be back on Monday for a full week. Pretty excited about the future. I know the summer's going to be kind of interesting because usually summer's kind of boring trading wise because there's trades in the morning, not much in the afternoon. But I think with Corona and COVID and all that, there could be some good trading days ahead in the summertime. So this could be a good summer of trading. You just got to be careful looking for follow through. Things that make their move that don't follow through is where you lose your money. So if we get some follow through this summer, I think it'll be a good one. I have reached my highs today on my account at TradeStation. I think I'm going to stay here. I'm going to send the rest of the money to my cash account next week. It's been really, knocking wood, I'm knocking right now. It's been working really well, and I will continue to trade on TradeStation until I really see a situation with them, and with crashing and things like that. But I haven't even had. I restart every day. I don't restart my computer, but I restart my platform every day. But after that, it just kind of runs. My only small concern right now is, would I get better fills on E-Trade than I am on TradeStation? I feel like I'm getting jumped a lot on TradeStation, but no big deal. We'll see. Well, it is a big deal, but we'll see what happens next week, and I'll decide what I want to do to confirm that. So you guys have a good one. Have a good weekend. Stay safe, and we'll be back for some more trading. This is Rich with some price action, and have a great weekend.